Hi everyone, let's make the Olive Garden chicken pasta that I've been seeing all over TikTok. I'm excited to try this one and we'll let you know how it is at the end. You're gonna start with 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, add that to a large crock pot. You're gonna add in about 8 ounces of the Olive Garden Italian dressing. I'm using the light version just to save on a few calories and some sodium. Then you'll add in a block or 8 ounces of cream cheese and a 1/4 cup of either shredded or grated Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and cover that and cook it on low for 4 to 6 hours until the chicken's fully cooked. After 4 to 6 hours, we're going to shred the chicken. You can remove the chicken and shred it or just shred it right inside the crock pot. I like to add in some ground black pepper to taste. You'll bring a large pot of water to boil. Add in a 16-ounce box of penne pasta. And lastly, you're going to add your cooked noodles to the crock pot and give it a nice stir. You can then let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes so everything absorbs the flavors nicely. All right, this smells amazing. Let's give it a try. This recipe was absolutely fantastic. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more.